can cleaning air conditioning coils measurably improve indoor air quality by reducing airborne dust and allergens. Coil cleaning works because evaporator and condenser coils collect dust, pollen, and organic residue that harbor mold and bacteria, and when airflow moves across dirty surfaces, it circulates those particles through living spaces. Start by turning off power to the unit at the breaker and removing access panels so you can inspect coil fins, drain pans, and nearby insulation for contamination. Use a soft brush and low-pressure water to remove dry dust, and apply a manufacturer-approved coil cleaner for greasy or sticky buildup. Following dwell times on the product label, avoid high-pressure washing because it can bend fins and reduce heat transfer. Always clear and flush the condensate drain and trap so pooled water cannot feed microbial growth. And after cleaning, reinstall panels and run the system to verify steady drainage and normal airflow. Replace the air filter with a new one sized and rated for your system immediately after coil cleaning because a fresh filter prevents recontamination and restores expected static pressure. If coils are heavily corroded, coated in black mold, or physically damaged, schedule professional repair or replacement rather than attempting aggressive on-site fixes that could void equipment warranties. 3 common issues are leaving the unit powered while cleaning, which risks electrical shock and damage, using excessive water pressure that deforms fins and reduces efficiency, and neglecting the condensate drain, which allows mold to re-establish quickly. Always cut power first. Use gentle cleaning methods and confirm drain flow. People often forget to replace the filter after cleaning, which lets loosened debris recirculate. Keep a supply of correctly sized filters and change them immediately. Another frequent concern is mistaking surface discoloration for deep mold growth. If the contamination penetrates insulation or the coil is saturated with biofilm, call a trained technician rather than relying on household cleaners. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and allows us to find and post jobs quickly. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share experiences, ask questions, and learn practical tips about maintenance like coil cleaning.